Hello, and welcome to this video on Ethereum. In this video, we'll explore what Ethereum is, how it differs from Bitcoin, what it's used for, and why it has gained significant popularity in the blockchain ecosystem. Ethereum is a decentralized, open-source blockchain platform that enables developers to build decentralized applications and run smart contracts. It was created in 2015 by Vitalik Buterin as a platform for decentralized applications that go beyond simple transactions of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Ethereum has its own cryptocurrency, called Ether, which is used as a payment method for transactions on the platform. So, how is Ethereum different from Bitcoin? While both Ethereum and Bitcoin are blockchain-based platforms, they differ in their underlying technology and purpose. Bitcoin was primarily designed as a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, whereas Ethereum was created as a platform for decentralized applications and smart contracts. Another major difference between the two platforms is their consensus mechanism. Bitcoin uses a proof-of-work consensus algorithm, which requires miners to solve complex mathematical problems to validate transactions and add them to the blockchain. Ethereum, on the other hand, has transitioned from a proof-of-work consensus algorithm to a proof-of-stake consensus algorithm, which relies on validators instead of miners to validate transactions. Now that we have a better understanding of Ethereum, let's talk about what it's used for. Ethereum's primary use case is as a platform for decentralized applications and smart contracts. Smart contracts are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement between buyer and seller being directly written into lines of code. Smart contracts can be used for a variety of purposes, such as creating tokens, managing supply chains, and enabling decentralized finance applications. Ethereum has become the go-to platform for DeFi applications, which allow users to access financial services without the need for intermediaries. DeFi applications built on Ethereum allow users to lend and borrow cryptocurrencies, earn interest on their holdings, and trade assets on decentralized exchanges. With so many different cryptocurrencies, what makes Ethereum popular? Ethereum's popularity can be attributed to its flexibility, scalability, and the ability to create decentralized applications and smart contracts. Developers can build decentralized applications on the Ethereum network without the need for a central authority, which increases transparency and reduces the risk of fraud or corruption. Ethereum's smart contracts also provide an automated way to execute transactions, reducing the need for intermediaries and making transactions faster and more efficient. Ethereum's popularity can also be attributed to the growth of the DeFi ecosystem, which has exploded in popularity in recent years. DeFi applications built on Ethereum allow users to access financial services that were previously only available to institutional investors, and without the need for intermediaries. This has led to increased adoption of Ethereum, as users seek to take advantage of the benefits offered by the DeFi ecosystem. To summarize everything we have covered, Ethereum is a decentralized, open-source platform that enables developers to build decentralized applications and execute smart contracts. It differs from Bitcoin in its purpose and underlying technology and is used primarily for DeFi applications. Its popularity can be attributed to its flexibility, scalability, and the ability to create decentralized applications and smart contracts. Thank you for watching this video on Ethereum. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more informative content on cryptocurrency and everything metaverse.